Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by launching Universe Sandbox and creating a simulation. Choose New Simulation or a preset. Pick a star or template system so you have bodies to work with, and enable realistic physics so gravity and collisions behave predictably. Once done, set the time step to 1x to observe natural motion, and place the camera on an object to follow it. This gives you control and lets you learn system behavior before making larger changes. Next, add and edit bodies with the Add tool. Drag planets, moons, or asteroids into place and roughly position them. Open properties to change mass, radius, and temperature. Adjust orbital velocity to alter paths. Small velocity changes can eject or capture objects. Once you set values, switch to orbit mode to define apopsis and periapsis for precision, then run the sim to test stability. Make incremental tweaks, and to finish, run the simulation and experiment. Capture screenshots or videos and record events with the Capture tool so you can analyze outcomes. Save your simulation and create presets for configurations you'll reuse. Export data if you want numeric analysis. If things go wrong, like chaotic orbits or extreme heating, rewind and restore a saved state, or reduce the time step for numerical stability. Make sure to iterate. Small controlled changes reveal the system's true dynamics.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.